Friends, welcome to my channel Pharmatoons. So in today's session, I will be discussing about some memory-based NIPER-G 2021 question with answer. And this is my authorized book, which is very well popular in nowadays, and more than 40,000 copies have been sold out till date. So these all are the memory-based questions. So let us start with first question. So first question was asked like Covishield is which type of vaccine? So answer is the viral vaccines. Second is in G protein couple receptor, what G stand for? So it indicate guanine nucleotide binding proteins. Third question is example of topoisomerase inhibitors where various examples are given. So correct answer is irinotecan and topoctatan. So these all are the topoisomerase 1 inhibitors. Fourth question is pH of type B gelatin is pH is 5.4. So there are two types of gelatin, type A and type B. Type A that is formed due to the acid hydrolysis, type B that is formed by alkali hydrolysis. Next is a caprolactam. Nylon 6 is formed in which type of the name reaction? So caprolactam is nothing but cyclic amide 7-member ring, and it is formed by the Bachmann rearrangement. The starting material in Bachmann rearrangement is oxime, which is further rearranged to the convert into the cyclic amide, which is called caprolactam. Next question is benzene contain nitrogen at one and second position, which is called pyridazine. So this is the structure of the pyridazine where first and second position there is a nitrogen in benzene structure, which is called pyridazine. If one and third position nitrogen are there, which is called pyrimidine, and only one nitrogen is there, which is called pyridine, and one and fourth position there is a nitrogen, which is called pyrazine. Come to seventh question, anti-epileptic drug used in pregnancy. So there are two drugs, lamotrigine and levetiracetam. So these two drugs are used in pregnancy as anti-epileptic drug. Next is a PM indicator. So which is used in which titrametric method? So as we all know that it is used in complexometric titrations. PM indicator example are eriochrome black tea, peroxide. So these all are the PM indicator which is used in complexometric titration, where titrant is EDTA, which is called chelating agent. Next is a very common questions. Dash test is used to distinguish aldehyde and ketone. So in organic chemistry practical, we were study. So it is Pollens test, which is also called silver mirror test. Next question is DAS is a nitrogen estimation method. Again, it is a question from first semester B Farm. So answer is Zeldad method. Other methods are used for nitrogen estimations are Dumas as well as the combustion methods. Benzodiazepine antagonist. So these questions were frequently asked from previous year GPAT as well as the NIPER examinations. This year GPAT examination also this question was asked. The answer is flumazenil. Garampani Sanctuary is located in, so this is a common general knowledge question. So it is located in Assam state. Next is the color of tomato that is due to the, so answer is carotenoid pigments or lycopene. So initially what happened when tomato, initially it is in yellow color. When it is a ripen, it is converted into the red color, and then after whatever the chlorophyll is there, which is a ruptured, and ultimately it is converted into the red pigments, that is due to the carotenoid pigments, or we can say lycopene. The drug causes the ototoxicity. So various examples are given, among them furosemide, which is causes the ototoxicity. Other drugs like aminoglycoside, that is also causes the ototoxicity. Next is a which method require reference standards. So various methods are given, but answer is gravimetry method. 16 number question is antibiotic are dried using which dryer? So FBD, fluid bed dryer, where antibiotic could be dried. Smallpox is caused by, so it is caused by variola virus. Next is blood in urine detected by, so technique is urinolysis. Chemically benzocaine. So here benzocaine IUPAC name is asked. So it is a ethyl ester of para-amino benzoic acid. It is a ethyl ester of para-amino benzoic acid. One Ingold and Prerog rule is for. So it is used for many purposes. So first is to determine the R and S configuration, which is called rectus and sinister. It is also called absolute configuration. It is also used for naming the enantiomers. So you can choose any one of these options. Schedule for clinical trials. So schedule related questions are frequently asked in GPAT as well as the NIPER-G examinations. So for these, answer is schedule Y. Test for alkaloid, it is again very important questions. In many times in past year GPAT as well as NIPER-G examination, the question was asked. So there are four common tests like Mayer, Wagner, Haggers, and drag and drop. Sometimes the composition of these tests were also asked in examination, so you have to remember the composition of these tests also. Refractive index of human eye or cornea is 1.376 that you have to remember. Next question is which lab is tested the vaccine? So it is a central drug laboratory presence in the Kasoli. Next is family of cardamom, which is a very important herbs. So it is a Gingiberaceae. Less iron present in most of the enzymes, so answer is magnesium ion. DAS is a uric acid inhibitor, so it is a allopurinol. It is also called xanthine oxidase inhibitors. Very important questions. Many a times it was asked in the GPAT or pharmacy related competitive examinations. 28 is in acyclovir or acyclovir is DAS analog. So it is analog of which heterocyclic system? It is a purine analog. 29 is schedule H is related to very common question of pharmacy which is related to prescription drugs. Chemically artemisinin is sesquiterpene lactone. So this is a structure of the artemisins which is called sesquiterpene lactones. And one more important question in case of artemisinin is it has a endoperoxide linkage. So this question was asked in past year GPAT exam. Endoperoxide linkage present in which drug? So it is present in artemisinin, which is an anti-malaria agent. Anti-metabolite inhibiting the DNA polymerase is, so which is called purine metabolite is the correct answers. Dinoprostone is analog of, so it is analog of prostaglandins. Invert sugar contains, so generally invert sugar is made up of the sucrose and the water. So this is the correct answer from the option. So next question is number of sigma bond present in alkyne. So first we have to remember the general structure of alkyne. Alkyne means carbon triple bond carbon which has a 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. So answer is 1 sigma and 2 pi bond. Next is flocculated suspension shows which type of this flow. So answer is plastic flow. Levamisole contain dash heterocyclic ring system. So answer is imidazole ring present in the levamisole. Next is side effect of the thyroxine hormone. So various side effects are given in the options, but correct side effect is increased appetite and weight loss, which is a side effect of thyroxine hormone. Cellulose acetate phthalate, which is called CAP, is soluble at dash pH, so it is 6 or more than 6. Nuzol mule technique is used for, so it is a main technique for the IR spectroscopy. Southern blot technique is used for very important question. Previous year also this question was asked. It is for DNA isolations and the DNA purifications. Solvent in normal phase HPLC method, so it is a polar solvent, non-polar solvent, sorry. And in reverse phase HPLC, so it is a polar one. MCPBAN reagent is used in dash reaction, so it is in Baeyer-Villiger oxidation reaction where these reagents is used. Basic ring present in atorvastatin, so correct answer is pyrrole. Example of GLP-1 agonist which is used in type 2 diabetes. So answer is axanatide and dulaglutides. Noise Whitney equation used for very basic and very common questions, and previously the question was asked many a times. So it is for drug dissolution profiling. Next is CPCA regulatory body is associated with. So it is associated with ethics regarding animal handling. Best drug causing the postural hypertension. So various drugs are given, but correct answer is captopril as well as the prazosin. C7 substitution increase the anxiolytic activity seen in DASH drugs. So in benzodiazepine, C7 substitution generally it having a halogen group, so that is increase the anxiolytic activity. Next is protein associated with the Parkinson's disease. So very rare questions was asked in NIPER-G, but protein name is alpha synuclein. Skeletal muscle relaxant. So various drugs are given. The correct answer is dantrolene or chlorzoxazone. It is also used as a skeletal muscle relaxant. Number of stereoisomer present in the tartaric acid. So tartaric acid having a two chiral centers. So total number of possible isomers are four. Among them, two are the enantiomers and one is a mesomer. So which is called three isomers are present in the tartaric acids. In DAS reaction, carbene intermediate is formed, so it is called Riemer-Tiemann reactions, where dichlorocarbene is an intermediate. Again, these questions was asked in previous year GPAT as well as the NIPER-G examination, so it was again repeat in NIPER 2021. Prokinetic drug without the D2 activity, so example is domperidone. This amino acid act as a precursor of nitrous oxide. So example is arginine. Wind belong to which category? So basically it is a Vinca alkaloid, and mechanism of Vinca alkaloid is microtubule damaging the drugs. SDS is a dash type of detergent. So we all know it is an ionic detergent. Very common questions, but it is a very important one. Van-Dimmer equation which is used in the chromatographic technique. So what is its predictions? So it predicts the optimum velocity as well as the maximum efficiency in the chromatography. Pyrrolidine ring containing amino acids. So one more questions was asked from the amino acids chapter. So it is a proline and hydroxyproline. Both the amino acid containing the pyrrolidine ring. Pyrrolidine means five-member heterocyclic ring or saturated analog of the pyrrole, which is called pyrrolidine. Non-aqueous titration that is based on, so Lori Bronsted is the correct answer for that. GLP comes under good laboratory practice, which is comes under OECD guideline. That means Organization for Economic Cooperations and Development. Sometimes full form of this OECD was also asked in NIPER-G examination. So you have to remember GLP comes under the OECD guideline. Presence of glucose in urine of diabetic patients is determined by, so various tests were given. So correct answer is Benedict test. It is for glucose determinations. Mu receptor actions. So its action is analgesia, respiratory depression, as well as the euphoria. Nickel masking agent. So potassium cyanide is the correct answer. Next is a spray drying and spray congealing is done by to make the dash formulation. So for micro emulsion, we are using spray drying as well as the spray congealing technique. Velocity of laminar air flow is zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5 millisecond. Highest solid content in dash formulations, so it is present in the paste formulations. Solvent used in nuclear file substitution, unimolecular reactions. So generally polar aprotic solvents are used to speed up the reactions. Calibration of IR is done by, so it is done by the polystyrene. It is a material, it is used in calibration of the IR. Very important questions. So these all are the 68 questions with its answer, which all are the memory based questions. I think hope it would be helpful to in Hyperg 2022. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also share this video to your groups. Thank you very much.